welcome in our English online class. Students, as you know very well that we have started the next chapter of English course book, and that is a poem, Topsy Turvy Land. We have done the explanation part of this chapter and we have done the word meanings, the words to learn, the rhyming words of this poem, the Topsy Turvy Land. So, with the continuation of this chapter, the Topsy Turvy Land, that is a poem, today we will do the question answers. Okay? So, be ready with your English course book, notebook, so that you can write the answers in a notebook, okay, and do the work in a good handwriting. Fine, students? So, the first question is, when do the children go to school in Topsy-Turvy Land? We read in the poem that the children go to school at night in this land. So, that would be the answer of this question. So, the answer is in Topsy-Turvy Land, then there is a comma afterwards. The children go to school at night. Instead of going to school in the morning, the children go to school at night in that land. Because in that land, whatever the things we do in a normal way, all the things do in the opposite manner. Okay, that is why here in this land the children go to school at night instead of morning. Now next question. Question number 2. In the poem, if buses travel on the sea. Now students, usually buses travel where? On the roads, on the streets. But here in this Topsy-Turvy Land, the buses travel on the sea. So the question is, where do the boats travel? The boats travel in the sea, but here, that is the totally opposite thing. Here the buses travel on the sea. So where do the boats travel? That is the question. So what would be the answer? The answer is, in the poem, the boats travel in the streets. Okay, that will be the answer of this question. Just opposite. Buses travel in the streets. Normally, in normal daily life, the buses travel in the streets. But here, boats travel in the streets. Why? Because this is Topsy-Turvy Land. That's why. Okay. Now, next question, that is question number 3. That is, why is this land called Topsy-Turvy Land? It means why the poem is named as Topsy-Turvy Land. So, what will be the answer? First of all, we will learn what is the meaning of Topsy-Turvy Land. Okay. So, our answer will become the definition of Topsy-Turvy Land. Topsy-Turvy Land means a land where all things go upside down. Where all the things happen in the opposite manner. Here means here we are talking about Topsy-Turvy Land. Here people walk on their heads. Is it possible? No, but this is an imaginary poem. Okay, that's why in this poem it is possible. Okay, in imaginary poems we can do these things. We can imagine anything. That's why here in this Topsy-Turvy Land, the people walk on their heads. The buses run on the sea. The people pay for what they don't get. They are not getting anything, but still they are paying for that. And where is it possible? In Topsy-Turvy Land. Boats travel in streets. As we discussed here in last question, boats travel in streets, not on the sea. Where? In Topsy-Turvy Land. Because this type of Topsy-turvy land because of these features. And these features are all imaginary. Fine students. So these three questions you will do in your CB notebook in a good handwriting. And remember one thing students, when you start the answers, the first letter should be capital. The questions, and after completing your answers you will put a full stop, and in the question mark. Fine. When you are writing the question, when you are writing the answer, the first letter should be capital. Fine. Keep these things in your mind while you are doing the English work. Okay. The first letter should be capital. After completing the sentence, put a full stop, and if